And okay. Discharge all around. There you have it. In there, bracket there, okay. Pull it back there, and up, and you load it. FNP9. Let's go ahead and rack it, lock and load, and lock and load. Jam it in there, rack it from underneath, jam the magazine in there, okay, load it, jam it up there, then lock and load, rack it, lock and load, jam it in there. A few more of the firearms that we end up trading with. And rack this one here. I'm going to rack it, firearm, up, it's up and loaded, and jam it in there, okay? Then you go ahead and you load it. Take the magazine and you load it from the bottom like this, jam it up there so it locks, then you lock and load, pull it back. Just a 9mm caliber, beautiful firearm, very accurate. P226, Sig & Sauer, okay. Then you go ahead and you load it. Eyesight, one laser beam from your eye to the front sight. My sight holster here to show you the nice design. You can put it in single action mode or double action mode for the first shot. The CZ40. Rack it. It's now ready to go, ready to rock and roll. I'm using zoom snap caps. This is Smith & Wesson 40 cal, and this is the Smith & Wesson version. To unchamber it, drop the magazine first and slide it back, and the round will come out of the chamber. Let's discharge all the rounds here. There it is. FNP9. Discharge. Make sure you drop the magazine first and get that round out of there. We show students how to XT9. Now we're going to unload it. Here's the thumb release for the magazine. Okay, make sure you get that round out of there. Okay, XT9 Springfield. FNP9, FN Herstal. This side, get all the rounds out of here. And again, we show students how to, you can actually decock it right here. Okay, and now it's in double action mode for that first round, first shot you take. It also has a decocker right here where the thumb is. Very easy reach. Notice what happens. Okay? And decock it, and now you're in double action mode for that first round. I'm going to go ahead and decock it. There's different ways of racking. Okay? And again, here you see 9mm Desert Eagle by IMI, Israeli Military Industries.